Hey guys, thanks so much for joining me for another video on Hawkwall cards. I'm going for a round 2 on this Target exclusive Rookie and Stars retail box for $49.99. I was actually able to get one of these off eBay for like 41 bucks from somebody, so definitely wanted to take the shot at that. I was really impressed with the first round that I got. You get one autograph card, 2 memorabilia cards per box on average. You also get some numbered cards, 1 Optichrome insert, and 12 rookies, as well as 2 parallels numbered to 99 or less. And I was able to pull this Michael Gallup RPA 4 out of 10, so I thought that was a pretty awesome card, by far the best card I've gotten out of a retail box. So to me it was worth taking another shot at the retail option, especially at 41 bucks. That was a pretty much a steal for myself. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Let's get into this bad boy and see what we can get. Again, you get 6 packs, 10 cards per pack. See if we can't hit some magic. Some good hits. Feels kind of thick, so we'll save that one. Those guys for last. Alright. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day. It looks like the Eagles got it done last night on Monday night to mix up that NFC East division a little bit more. Got Jarvis Landry, Jared Goff, Marcus Mariota, McCoy, Stafford, Josh Norman. You also get a pretty decent amount of inserts in here. Here's a pretty nice Josh Rosen rookie insert. These are really cool cards. Nice. 1 out of 35. Sony Michel. These Crusade cards are really awesome. And I mean, again, out of a retail box, get a numbered card like that for a rookie. Pretty darn cool. I actually really like this product as far as for a retail buy. I feel like get really good value. Jordan Whitehead and Isaiah Oliver for the rookies. Not a bad start. Pack number 2. We got Cameron Wake, TJ Watt, Jimmy G, Jay Ajayi, Andy Dalton. Nice. These are sweet too. Airborne DeVante Parker. Doesn't look like it's numbered, but really cool cards. Got a great look to them. Then we've got Blake Bortles, action packed. Carson Wentz, standing ovation. And then we got Joshua Jackson and Ronald Jones for our rookies to finish off that pack. Pack number 3. Got Julio Jones, LeGarrette Blount, Sean McCoy, Sam Bradford, Blake Bortles, Von Miller, a little Tom Brady insert, Kid Reporter. I'm not sure if I have a hit or not here. Nice, Will Disley. That's actually the first rookie card of his. That's definitely a PC hit. And Saquon. So, beautiful rookies in that pack. Love getting a Disley. Awesome start to his rookie season for the Seahawks from a squad. And he's got a great career ahead of him. Just had an unfortunate injury to start off the year. I think he was not the biggest pick, so, or the highest pick, so that's probably why a lot of different cards didn't carry his card quite yet. And then, nice! A Denzel Ward, longevity, 6 out of 75. Again, another awesome numbered card. Normally that you'd only get in a hobby box from a lot of other brands from Panini, or products from Panini. And you can see as the pretty cool. So definitely like the Michelle and the Ward so far. So these are our thicker packs, and I believe we're supposed to have 1 autograph and 2 memorabilia cards, so these should be our hits for the box. Looks like there's one there. Try and move it to the back. So start with some of the inserts. We got a Julio Jones, star-studded. Another Josh Rosen insert, precision passers. Got a Chukwuma Okafor for rookie for the Steelers. Hopefully I didn't ruin that name. And Kiki Kuti. Kid Reporter. Got Mike Evans, Phillip Rivers, Odell, Robbie Anderson, Marlon Mack. And then let's see what we got here for our something like Nyheim Hines. Nice. Nice little patch on there. Definitely having a pretty decent rookie season as well. Getting a decent amount of touches out there in Indy. Alright. Got a hit here as well. Move this to the back. Got Sam Darnold, precision passers, insert. Le'Veon Bell, touchdown club. Nice rookie card, Denzel Ward. Marcus Allen rookie, Pittsburgh. Kid Reporter. I think I already ruined the surprise as far as who the hit is. Tyreek Hill. Dak Prescott. Tyrod Taylor. Michael Thomas. And Khalil Mack. But after seeing, I do hope it is an auto. Mr. Darnold. Oh, I'll take that. It's not an auto, but a pretty sweet patch. Looks like 19 out of 99. Cross training. Not bad at all. Again, pretty cool card for pulling out of a retail box. And we still should have our auto in this last pack here. See what we got. Right, so I got Adam Thielen, Jalen Ramsey, Patrick Mahomes, Alshon Jeffrey, AJ Green, Kaiser White, rookie card, Nyheim Hines, rookie card. Got a Ben Roethlisberger, action-packed, insert. Evan Engram, touchdown club. And DJ Reed, looks like our auto for the Niners, out of 75. And there was that Evan Engram down club. So not a huge hit on the auto, but still definitely pleased with the box. I mean, for 41 bucks, And for all I know, DJ Reed's going to be a good player. I haven't heard too much about him. Got to watch the Seahawks dismantle the Niners this weekend. That was very, very fun to watch. So just a quick recap. Inserts. Got a decent amount. Got some good rookies in Sam Darnold, Josh Rosen. Got a Brady, and then got another Josh Rosen. So got some pretty cool rookie inserts, and then awesome card, this Airborne DeVante Parker. Those are just really cool cards. Some decent rookies. Got a PC hit, Denzel Ward. Got a PC hit with the Will Disley. First one of those I've pulled. Hopefully I can maybe pull an auto of his pretty soon. Got a Saquon. And then the numbered cards. Awesome Denzel Ward, 6/75. This Sony Michel Crusade, 1/35. Really nice card there. Auto of the box. Got DJ Reed of the Niners, 5/75. And the longevity on that one. And then for our mem cards, we got a Nyheim Hines, not numbered, year 1, and then cross training Sam Darnold, 19/99. Pretty cool card there. So I really like this product. I mean, especially for retail right now, I feel like this is by far one of your best bangs for your buck. And if you're getting started on collecting, it's a good way to start without spending money on a hobby box, but you got a lot of similar products that you'd get in the hobby box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really appreciate you. Stay tuned for more videos, and if you guys are opening up any packs yourselves or got any boxes coming your way, good luck to all of you. I appreciate you guys so much, and have an awesome day. All right, peace be the journey. Latest.